I've got some things make your picture complete, 'cause we shared a history I'd gladly impart, so that she'd meet your hero, she'd know him. But she gets the learning of lessons I taught, and she gets the walking through gates that I wrought. And I've got the key to the museum of thought that no one but us ever entered, that no one but us ever entered. She's got hearts in her eyes and they're making her blind, but I've got the tricks to read your mind. I know I could teach her and that might be kind, but I'll back off. She can find her own way, 'cause she gets the learning of lessons I taught. And if she gets the walking through gates that I wrought, then I've got the key to the museum of thought that no one but us ever entered, that no one but us ever entered. And it's not to say it will work out the same, and it's not to say you can't make a new name. So I will stay quiet, she'll feel her own pain, but I'll sing her my songs if you do it again. But she might get the learning of lessons I taught, and she might get the walking through gates that I wrought. So I'll keep the key to the museum of thought that no one but us ever entered, that no one but us ever entered. Yes, I will quietly curate this museum of thought that no one but us ever entered. So baby, talk and bare your soul and your body and the whole reason you go out there every day. Darkest dreams, brightest desires, things you'd say from household fires and mom and dad and hope and had and still to be, then slipping out of touch and giving to not giving much, and move on to someplace new and forget she ever walked within you, and forget she ever walked within you.